Your LG soundbar offers different ways to connect to your sound sources, even wirelessly. If you want to stream music or other audio from your mobile phone or other Bluetooth-enabled device, there are just a couple of simple steps you'll need to take. With your soundbar powered on, press the function button on the remote until BT appears on the front of the unit for Bluetooth. Almost immediately, the soundbar will go into pairing mode, stating BT ready on the front panel. Make sure that the Bluetooth feature on your mobile device is turned on, and if it doesn't do so automatically, choose to scan for available Bluetooth devices. LG soundbar should be located right away as an available destination. Select it, and the soundbar will indicate paired when it's ready to play back your music. Control the playback right from the mobile device, pausing and skipping tracks to your heart's content. For the best quality sound, we recommend adjusting the volume using the soundbar remote control or the on-unit buttons. Bluetooth streaming is another way to enjoy the premium performance of your LG soundbar.